Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good morning. This beautiful day of January 2022. Happy New Year. For those that I haven't been able to see and say Happy New Year. I'm here because I want to encourage someone. My name's Grace Ngumi, and I'm here to encourage someone. I know I'm here. I like being an encourager. I like being an inspiration. I like encouraging people. I'm sure there are people who are going through tough times, who are feeling down this morning, and who are feeling like there is no hope. But I'm here to encourage you, my friend. As I woke up this morning, the Lord encouraged me with the book of Psalms 121, that He who watches over Israel, no sleep, no slumbers. He was reminding me that He doesn't sleep, nor does He slumber. My friend, I just want to encourage you. This morning you might